Now, doing wood repair outside can be quite tricky because of course the wood is exposed to the elements all year round. Now, if you use a cheap or insufficient filler, it's not going to last very long. So my view is do it once and do it properly. Now, these big thick timber, sleeper-like timbers here in our driveway, they're over 200 years old. I'd taken them out of the old house that I knocked down here before we built the new one. Of course, I wasn't going to let them be thrown in the skip, so we recycled them and I put them to good use, and they're now working as a retainer, holding part of my driveway in and the edgings. However, sadly, they are starting to decay along here, and as you can see, the way this is crumbling away, if this isn't treated and done properly, it's not going to last very much longer. Now, the perfect solution for this type of repair would be a 2-part epoxy resin wood repair. So the first thing, and probably most important thing, is the preparation, because if you fail to prepare, prepare to fail. Using a sharp tool like a chisel, start to scrape away the wood from the damaged areas. This is generally quite easy when the wood's decayed, but you want to take it all the way down till you find good solid dry wood. Dust it off as you go. Now, my next stage is to mix up the 2-part wood repair resin primer to apply on the bare wood. Now, the mixing ratio to these is 1:1, but you only need to mix up the required amount that you need for your area. It's easy to apply with a small paintbrush. Cover the whole area that you've prepped that's ready to be repaired. Now, once you've applied your primer, you can leave this to dry for about 20 minutes and then mix up your 2-part wood repair. This can be mixed really easily by using the wood repair resin 2-part gun. Place both cartridges in and squeeze this out. It'll apply the mix at a 1:1 ratio. You can mix this with a flat spatula for a good 5 minutes until both materials are mixed up continuously to create one colour. So we're going to start by filling the deeper gap, and as you'll see, it is really easy to apply. It's like a really nice thick creamy kind of paste. That's probably the best way of describing it. And what I'm trying to do in there is fill that void so there is no air bubbles or pockets inside them deeper areas first. Down here in this back end is quite deep, so again pressing it right in, no cavities, unfilled in there. Now, I've left this overnight to dry and it is solid. As you know, it needs about minimum of 8 hours in normal conditions for it to fully cure, and then you can start to sand, shape it, plane it, you can even drill into it. It really is durable. But all I'm going to do now is sand up these kind of sharp edges off here. 3C's 2-part wood repair is a flexible compound based on a modified epoxy for filling and repairing holes, cracks, gaps and wood rot. Dust it off and then apply some stain to it so it blends in with the rest of the wood. It fills the gap in the market for a wood repair resin for those who require a high quality resin repair system that is perfect for the large and small repairs, both on indoors and outdoor applications. If you're looking for more inspiration, check us out on all social media handles, and don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel for further online videos.